Hello everyone, welcome to ERP Academy. This is my very first video on this channel, and on this channel we will learn ERP systems like Odoo and ERP Next in a simple practical way with real business scenarios. If you are an ERP user, consultant or business owner who wants to automate daily operations, this channel is for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe and support ERP Academy so I can continue making more useful ERP tutorials for you. Today's topic is one of the most powerful automation features in Odoo. Automatic purchase order creation using buy route plus reordering rule and also using buy plus make to order or MTO route. So let's start. Let us consider a simple business scenario. You are running a trading or distribution company. When stock becomes zero or when a sales order is confirmed, you want the system to automatically create a purchase order. You don't want to manually check stock every time, you want automation. In Odoo 19, we can achieve this using method 1 buy plus reordering rule, method 2 buy plus MTO rule. Let me show you both methods step by step. So before proceeding further, first let me just navigate into the settings module and make sure that multi-step routes is enabled. So if I search here multi-step routes, this should be enabled. And after this, let me just navigate into the inventory module. Here in the configurations, we will see the route section. So in this, sometimes this replenishment order will not be visible. In that case, you need to just go in this filter and go in the archived, and then you will be seeing the replenishment order. So you need to unarchive it. Then the second thing is, sometimes if I just navigate into this buy route, now in the Odoo 19 they have changed some of the features like product category. Sometimes by default this will be unchecked product and product category, because of which in the product form you will not find the buy or the manufacturer or the replenishment order routes. So you need to check this so that it appears there. Now let me just go into the products and let me just create a new product. It is card, or I can name it as toy card. Then I will make the product type as goods and invoicing policy on delivered quantities, and I will just set the cost price as $50 and sales price as $100, and here I will set the categories as toys, and in the sales purchase tab let me just add the vendor. So in this case I am selecting the toys manufacturer, and here I will just add 1, and here I will add the lead time, means how many days it requires to receive this particular product from this vendor. So in this case I am just adding the 5, and now I will just go into the inventory tab, and let me just first click save this button. And now if I just go in the inventory tab, I can see the different routes like buy route, manufacturer and replenishment order route. So for this product I am checking this buy route and I will click save. Then here we can see the reordering rules. So if we just click here, we can create the reordering rule for this product. So if I just click here new, I can add the route as the buy route and trigger as the auto, and here I will set the maximum quantity as 10 and I will click save. Once this is done, now imagine I have received an order from the customer. So now I just need to go into the sales module and let me just create a quotations or the sales order. So here I will just select the customer as Afnan and I will just add the product as toy car. So we can see the price has been populated automatically, and now if I just click on this confirm button, or let me just click save, and now if I just click on this confirm button, we can see the purchase is created automatically. So if I just go here in the purchase, we can see 4514, and after 5 days I am receiving this product. So now we can see the quantity ordered, or the quantity ordered for the purchase order is 11. So how we can set this? So here we can see the sales order, the customer demand is 1 quantity, plus we have set the maximum quantity in the reordering rules as 10. So 10 plus 1, that is equals to 11. So we can see if we use the buy plus reordering rule, it will order the order the quantities based on maximum quantity mentioned in the reordering rule plus the customer's demanded quantity. So in this case it's 10 plus 1 that is demanded by the customer, so it becomes 11. So now I need to confirm this and I need to receive the products, so I'm just validating it. Now I will just go back into the sales order, and now in the delivery we can see this product is now available, so I can deliver it to the customer. So I click on the validate and we can see this product has been delivered to the customer. Now let me see the flow of the buy plus MTO route. So let me just create a new product. So here I will just write toy train, and I will mark the invoicing policy delivered quantities track inventory, and I will set the cost price as 100 and sales price as 200, and I will select the category as toys, and here in the purchase tab I need to add the vendor. So in this case I will add the toys manufacturer and quantity 1 and lead time as 5, or based on the convenience we can set this. So now I will just go into the inventory, I will click buy and replenishment order MTO route. Now imagine that the customer approaches me inquiring for this product. So then I can create the quotations. I will click on this new button and I will select the customer as Abdul, and I will just add the product as toy train, and we can see the amount got populated here, that is 200 as the selling price. Now imagine the customer wants 5 quantities of this product, so I will just click save, and once this is done I will just click on the confirm, and we can see the purchase order is created for this product. If I just open this, we can see exactly 5 quantities has been purchased. That is, if we use buy plus MTO rule, then exactly 5 quantities will be created as the purchase order. So in this case the customer demands is 5 quantities, so it will create 5 quantities as the PO. If the customer demand is 100 quantities, then it will create 100 quantities as a PO. So now we need to just confirm this purchase order and receive the product. Then we can just navigate into the sales order. Here we can go into the delivery section, validate, and then we can create the invoice. So if we want to create invoice, we can create invoice, regular invoice, create draft, and then we can confirm the invoice. Then we can proceed for the payment procedure. So this is how the automatic purchase order works through routes, that is buy plus reordering route and buy plus MTO route. So this is how you can configure automatic purchase order creation in Odoo 19 using buy plus reordering route and buy plus MTO route. I hope this video helped you understand real ERP automation. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe to ERP Academy, comment what topic you want next. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.